Hello mga kabuts! Ari naman kita. After sa unboxing naton, juicing time. So, medyo namin ato na menu subong. Ang menu naton subong is a selection of fruits and vegetable. So, ang isa ka recipe is apple, carrots, and celery juice. So, as you can see, may tray na kita din na prep. Nag-prep na lang ako ahead kay para masabad daan kung pati yung preparation i-record ko pa. So, okay. Tapos ang isa ka recipe is rock melon o kung sa aton pa, melon, mint leaves, kag mango juice. Kaso wala mango, pwede citrus, any citrus. Like, subong is orange. So, doon ato na recipe. Ang isa ka recipe is vegetable base, may gamay na fruit. So, gwa iya pila ka percent, maybe 70% vegetable, 30% fruit. Ang isa is all fruit, so 100% fruit. So, testingan ta subog ang juicing sang unahon taguro ang all fruit kay para hindi maglain ng sabor para sa fruit and veg na style. Alright? So, kita na da? Okay. Ari kita, subong, i-kako lang. So, ang isang recipe is ang melon, mint, and orange. So, unang tanay, ito ng shoot. Rock melon, unang ta si melon. O, dako, sigali na shoot, nami. So, dito lang guro pag ipang ka lang kung nami siya all the way. Pero, tapos, ang speed na required is high speed. Down. Alright, let's do this. Sang yan na ito kadasig sang yan na utang tamanda yun ang mint, extra minty flavor. Asig lang siya. Then last one. Alright. As you can see, I think less than a minute, nakahimo na to dayon. Almost 900 ml of juice. So, ang pulp ya, ready. So, testingan ta na. Mix na lantaw ta ko nung namin na sabor. Okay, let's try. So, our recipe is rock melon, orange, and mint leaves. Oh, look at that. Ito namin isang texture niya kakuan niya. Juice gid siya. So, let's see. Amin siya gurong cold. Alright. So, ay, lipat ko. Makuha ko gali container. Okay? Gali lang gid. Posanay. Hey, we're back. So, lipan mo magbutang sang mason jar. Tapos, mas namin siya kung may ice. Namit. Skip. So, next recipe will be 70% fruit. Hindi. 70% veg, tapos ang isa fruit, which is ang apple. So, naunta ang apple. Wapo capacity yan, doon damo. So, high speed man gyapon. Hindi kay go. Mas mayo na. Okay. Tasig lang siya. So, less than a minute, mag-juice siya na yun. So, carrots, wala man nakabutang, basta ako lang ako, no? Clean, always clean your fruits and veg. Para wala sang mga pigkop lang. So, last part of the recipe is the carrots. So, let's see. It looks nice. Okay. Are, testing ta na subong. Anong sabor ya? So, gamay lang lima ubraya pero do nami siya. So, try ta, mix ta lang. Then, let's see. Imutangan ko lang siya ice kay para mas nami siya siguro kung with chilled. So, ice. Okay. No, halos pareho tsura pero carrots ni siya. Celery and apple. Oh, kampiyon! Namit! Ayos ah. Mga kabungots, sa sunod naman natin na video, matesting tas ang all vegetable na klase na juicing. And we'll try kwanta lang ni Goro. Di ko na siya pwede himuon lunch or breakfast kay pang dinner na lang Goro. Then a little bit of gamay na starch, like maybe little bit of bread or any starch na vegetable. But it's a start and it's nice to have options like this one. And I think ang portion niya is just enough for 2 people, or kung gusto mo nami man siya kay ano siya masabor mo gid ang iyan na essence gid bala sang fruits kag ang veg siya mismo, ang carrots kag ang celery namin. This will be my new thing. So thanks for watching. As always mga kabungots, please like and subscribe to my channel, The Bearded Philo. Alright? Next time na video ta, medyo namiunta, lainunta ang colors, like mga green stuff, like leafy vegetables, na pwede like, ang recipe may kale ganito eh. Tapos may mga ginger, ka garlic, Wow, pwerte. But then again, basta health is wealth, kumbaga. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time on the next video. Shout out kay Mrs. Galabay-labay lang da siya. Alright? Mga kabungots, until next time, bye!